Have you ever wondered how some people seems to make money even when they're not working? They go on vacations, they spend their time with their families, and somehow the income just keeps coming in. You look at them and think, what are they doing that I'm not? Meanwhile, most of us wakes up early every morning, head to work, and trade time for money, day after day. When we stop working, the income stops too. That's the pattern we've all been taught to live by. So what's their secret? It's not luck. It's not about being born into wealth. It's about understanding how to make money work for you instead of you always working for money. Hey, I'm Mario Pinar from Little Notes, and in this video we're diving into one of the most life-changing financial concepts you'll ever learn: passive income. By the end of this video, you'll understand what passive income really means, why it's so powerful, and how shifting your mindset can lead you towards financial freedom. So if you've ever felt like you're working hard but not getting ahead, stick around, because this could change how you see money forever. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is passive income? It's money that continues to come in with little to no daily effort once it's been set up. It's not about doing nothing. It's about building something that keeps rewarding you long after the initial work is done. Think of it like planting a mango tree. In the beginning, you have to water it, care for it, and protect it. But once it grows, that tree gives you fruit season after season without you needing to do much. That's how passive income works. You create or invest in an asset once, and it keeps generating income for you over time. Now compare that to active income. Your job, your business, your daily hustle. You put in time, you get paid. You stop working, the income stops. But with passive income, your money continues to flow whether you're at the office, on vacation, or even sleeping. That's the key difference between working for money and having money work for you. And that difference is what separates people who just get by from those who build real wealth and freedom. Now, why is passive income so important? Because your time is limited. You can always make more money, but you can never make more time. Most people spend their entire lives exchanging time for money. We wake up, go to work, pay the bills, and start over again next month. That's what people call the rat race. And for many, it unfortunately never ends. But imagine this for a second. Imagine your money working for you 24/7. Even while you're spending time with family, pursuing hobbies, or traveling. That's the power of passive income. It gives you freedom. The freedom to choose how you spend your days. And it's not just about quitting your job. It's about having options. Having peace of mind that your bills are covered. That your future is secured. And that you're not trapped by a paycheck. Think of it as building your own personal safety net. One that gets you stronger every year. When your income doesn't depend solely on your effort, you gain control over your life. And here's something I've learned over the years. Passive income doesn't start with money. It starts with mindset. We've been conditioned to think that working harder equals earning more. But in reality, working smarter and understanding how money moves makes the real difference. See, most people spend their paychecks on things that lose value. New phones, fancy cars, or expensive habits. There's nothing wrong with enjoying life. But when spending becomes a pattern, you're building someone else's wealth, not your own. The wealthy think differently. They don't just buy things, they buy assets. Things that produce income, things that pay them back. Here's how I like to put it. Every dollar you earn is an employee. You can either let it retire the moment you spend it, or you can put it to work, earning more dollars for you. That's the real game of wealth. You stop trading hours for money and start letting money multiply itself through smart investments. When you start viewing every dollar as a worker, you'll be amazed at how quickly your financial perspective changes. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" you will start asking, "Will this make me more money?" That's when you truly begin to make money work for you. Now let's talk about where to start. You don't have to be rich to build passive income. You just need consistency, patience, and a clear plan. Start by understanding your current financial habits. Where is your money going each month? Are there expenses you can cut to create room for investment? Most people don't even realize how much of their income slips through small, unnecessary spending. Once you have a clear picture, start setting aside a small percentage of your income. Maybe it's 5%, maybe it's 10%, to invest in something that grows over time. It could be dividend-paying stocks, small rental properties, online digital products, or even business ventures that pay you residual income. Personally, one of my favorite ways, and something I work with daily, is mortgage note investing. When you invest in mortgage notes, you're essentially stepping into the shoes and into the role of the bank. The borrower pays you monthly, and your investment is secured by real estate. It's steady, predictable income without dealing with tenants or property repairs. But don't worry, we'll dive deeper into that in another video. Today's focus is about building that mindset of financial independence, not just the method. Now let's address a common misconception. People often think that passive income means no work at all. That's not true. Every income stream, especially at the start, takes effort, time, research, and sometimes a bit of trial and error. But here's the beauty. Once you've built it, it keeps paying you. You might check in occasionally, make adjustments or reinvest your earnings, but the heavy lifting is done. It's like writing a book or creating a song. You put in all the work at once, but the royalties can keep coming for years. The same applies to investments. You put in effort now so you can enjoy results later. That's how real wealth is built. One of my favorite quotes says that if you don't find the way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. That's from Warren Buffett. And it's a powerful reminder that relying only on active income is at best risky. Because what happens if you can't work someday? What happens if your job changes or your business slows down? That's why creating multiple streams of income, especially passive ones, is so important. It's not about greed, it's about your security. When your money is working for you, you're not just surviving, you're building stability, independence, and peace of mind. So here's the truth. Everyone can build passive income. You don't need to wait for the perfect time. There's no magic number or ideal account or amount to start with. The best time to start with was yesterday. The next best time is today. Start by learning. Educate yourself. Understand where your money goes and how to make it grow. Take small but steady steps, because consistency beats intensity. Over time, your financial foundation will grow stronger and your money will begin to generate income of its own. That's when you'll experience the shift, the moment your money starts working harder than you do. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message today. And if you'd like to learn more about how to start your journey towards financial independence and how strategies like mortgage note investing can help you build steady, passive income, why don't you visit our website at www.ritzelnotes.com. You'll find free educational resources, insights, and real-world guidance to help you take control of your financial future. Because remember, the goal isn't just about making a living. The goal is to make your money work for you. Thanks for watching. I'm Mario Pienaar with Ritzel Notes, and I'll see you in the next video.